My name is Jim Scott, and this is the A-Frame in Pike Road, Alabama. The A-Frame is a 50s model Sears and Roebuck catalog kit house, and it was built originally in Montgomery and then moved here in the mid-60s by my father. It was given to him. It was going to be torn down because the land it was on had been sold, and it was offered to him, and they took it apart board by board and moved it here. And it's just been a family playhouse for years, and then finally, as the city grew into us, we turned it into a rental, and then it became an Airbnb. We have guests from all over. We've had 14 or 15 different countries, a lot of states. At this house, typically there are people traveling through, but it's just all over the board. But they like it. It's very quiet, it's very secluded. We get tons and tons and tons of great reviews, and there's a book inside where people have written everything from poems to the house, to the honeymoons, to their vacations, to their birthdays, to anything you could imagine. A cool opportunity to help have a part in other people's vacations and other people's experience. And for this house and for others around here, I'm sure we have so many out-of-towners, it's nice to give them a representation of Alabama that perhaps isn't what they expected. And so it's been great. We enjoy it very much.